Grandpa. How are you today?
Great! I'm ready to answer questions.
Okay, let's get started. What is inside an apple?
The white part. It's delicious. I love apples.
What else is inside an apple?
Sometimes there's a worm inside.
A worm? Ew! What's worse than finding a worm in your apple?
Finding half a worm.
Why is that worse?
Because you ate the other half.
Ew, Grandpa. What else is inside an apple?
Apple seeds are inside.
Yes, apple seeds. Grandpa, how often do you eat apples?
I eat an apple a day.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Yes, because apples help you stay healthy.
That's right.
Can I have an apple? Where's my apple? I want an apple.